Is it true or not that you are prepared to break the chains of neediness over your life? What a specialist has the cure? The film is going to send off. You most certainly don't have any desire to miss that. You've all been sitting tight for furthermore, this. The all-dark public show is making a stop in Atlanta. Truth be told, we coming to the end October 2023. Ensure you go to boycewatkins.com to get your tickets, or we'll have the connection in the depiction box also. Furthermore, assuming that you're about your cash, similar to you should be correct. I really want everyone to message the word STOCK to the number 31,996 to get free Dr. Boyce Watkins stock alarms. Tell them, gracious, throughout the previous 72 hours we've been looking out for the decision and the YNW murder case. Really the twofold homicide situation where 2 of his companions were killed. All the proof. We are as yet unfit to arrive at a consistent choice. So as of now, what I will do is simply proclaim a malfeasance in light of the fact that a legal blunder. Show to you that, good. So it's a legal blunder, implying that the jury was halted, meaning they undoubtedly had. A big part of them that thought he was blameless, a big part of them that thought he was blameworthy. Presently, I'm seeing a ton of online journals, in fact. I don't think they understand what it implies. Presumably will be similar protection attorneys, no doubt a similar examiner. They will get another jury and they're rolling to go through everything again now. Definitely, okay? I could in the event that I was Mary. Could I be grinning? Definitely, I would be grinning because it's like, okay, look, at the jury. I got 6 of them to trust that I'm blameless. 6 of them most likely accept him blameworthy or anything the proportion of the number is. That's what I'll take. Right. I'll require that quickly. Since it might have been consistent. What's more, that implies that he has a bit of expectation for the following preliminary. So it'd be a next preliminary. So that is a portion of the misguided judgments. A great deal of web journals were posting it up like it was a triumph. I even seen Pappas post something up. He said he was glad for the youngster or no difference either way. What's more, he likewise said, the casualty's sympathies to the person in question. What's more, that is, as one. That is the means by which I feel for this situation. However much I would rather not see a sibling go down. I feel for the people in question, man. I feel for the 2 casualties that passed on for no great explanation. What's more, the truth is, him and his kid know something about it now. Perhaps he doesn't. I wasn't there, correct? Perhaps Milo ain't got nothing to do with it. Perhaps he escaped the vehicle and he didn't have anything to do with it. The proof that I gathered didn't recommend that. However, at that point once more, I wasn't there. Right. So, what will occur? Undoubtedly, he'll get another preliminary. They need to do this over once more and they could continue to do this over. I don't believe there resembles a cutoff. Like on the off chance that they get another jury that has halted another jury, that another appointed authority pronounces a legal blunder, which would presumably be a similar adjudicator. Murphy right. They'll rehash this and over till he's seen as one or the other blameless. Or at fault for this wrongdoing. What's more, I said it recently. I said, I figure it would be fine, not liable. I was off base, However, he wasn't found blameworthy by the same token. He wasn't found liable, all things considered. So, this means he needed to. Anything he paid for those lawyers who need to pay that once more. Which sucks. I don't have any idea what he paid, however, I'm certain it's in the countless dollars. Likewise, the indictment currently have opportunity and energy. They can in any case acquire more proof like they could do. In any case, do examination. They may as yet attempt to get a greater amount of the drivers from the vehicle. They can in any case test and, would what they like to do and attempt to find more things, since they have a smidgen window. Additionally, the protection. It resembles a tie. Like if, there's a football matchup, it's 10-10. Good? I ain't win. I ain't lose. Be that as it may, I need to win and I would rather not lose. Be that as it may, by the day's end, right by the day's end, we will rehash this thing. Isn't that so? What's more, I will gain from the errors that I made the initial time. Also, someone will presumably win the following time. At this moment, I haven't gazed upward the, details to the extent that malfeasance and you understand what the chances are for the respondent or the arraignment after that. I haven't. However, I generally thought, as I would see, I felt like it is possible that he made it happen, or he knew something about it. Yet I simply feel like that there's a crawl of uncertainty there. As I don't suspect the indictment, I don't figure they made a terrible showing, yet I don't believe that they got it done to get that decision. Also, clearly you see they didn't get that decision. So that is the reality of the situation. Also, I've been watching other lawyers. That is the reason I'm carrying data to you. Before I did this video, I needed to ensure I had my data right and precise about what a malfeasance is, especially in the province of Florida, and what could occur and what will probably occur, after this. Furthermore, similar to I said, there is plausible in the event that they drop the case, which I profoundly question. However, the most probable situation is we'll have another preliminary. Whether it's 3-4 months, 1 more year from now, he'll be attempted once more and will be going through his preliminary once more. So don't be deluded by the online journals that are simply putting a smiley face despite the fact that he grinned in court today. What's more, when I hear legal blunder, I consequently thought, darn, he won. What's that? That resembles some carelessness poop. He returning home? No, it doesn't really intend that. Presently, likewise, I neglected to add this. At the point when I return to court, he's likely going to request a bond. Right. Which will they conceded? I don't have any idea. Since, we take a gander at the idea of the wrongdoing, the capability of him likely being a flight risk. They most likely going to bring that up. Furthermore, the way that he has the means, the cash to make it happen. Who can say for sure? Be that as it may, I'm certain his legal counselor will battle so he can get a bond. Yet, that occurred. That is the malfeasance. That is what that implies, basically. Assuming there are any lawyers out there that is tuning in, kindly go ahead and get in touch with me. Furthermore, in the remarks segment, or on the other hand, if you have any desire to come on the show, I want to really have a lawyer. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, message it to somebody. Email it to somebody. It requires a speedy second to do and ensure you hit the thumbs up button on the video and buy in the event that you're not currently bought into the channel. I appreciate you all. Harmony.